So this noodle recipe is my family's best noodle recipes, the stir-fried noodles. It's not only delicious, but it's also very nutritious. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Next time we'll be preparing your noodles, you will love to prepare it this way. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If today is the first day you are joining, I am Bakers from Nigeria. I teach people how to bake Nigerian recipes on my channel. So today we're making noodles and I'm going to be using Indomie for that. I'm using super pack, 3 super packs for it. Chicken sausage, some carrots, bonnet Scotch peppers, bell peppers, spring onions, and boiled eggs for garnishing. We are going to cut down our vegetables for the stir-fried noodles. So I love grating my carrots. It helps the flavor from the carrots to really mix up with the noodles. So we're going to do that with a grater then. And I also love putting a lot of carrots in my noodles. And we're also going to be cutting our bell peppers into square, then also cutting our sausage into tiny pieces like seen in the video. We'll also cut down our Scotch bonnet peppers. We're going to also be slicing our spring onions. Sorry, in the beginning of this video, I forgot to mention that I was going to be using plantains for these stir-fried noodles. So we are also going to be slicing these plantains into tiny pieces. So I want to use this opportunity and send hug and kisses to my beautiful friends over the world. Canary King, Foxman, Sky, Jamie, Mohammed, Rahim, Nilito, JK, JP. So many of you all over the world. I'm sending hugs and kisses to you guys. I hope you guys love this recipe of how I make my noodles. So you remember that egg for garnishing? We're just going to remove the shells, then cut beautifully and set aside for garnishing. So we're going to be heating up vegetable oil, then frying down our plantains. Fry to golden brown. So while we wait for our plantains to get done, do you know that noodles needs a lot of vegetables? Do you know that? So next time you're cooking noodles for your children, make sure to put a lot and lots of vegetables to make it healthier. Thank you. We are also going to be frying down our sausage. Not too dry, not soft, just a little bit so that the taste will come out. So for these particular ingredients, you can always substitute for any protein of your choice, like chicken or whatever protein of your choice. So we boil water, then cook our indomie in it. The water is not going to be dried with the indomie. We just want to make the indomie a little bit soft, not too soft and not hard. Indomie is the best noodles for me because after cooking it doesn't get too soft, and there's some noodles after cooking everything will just combine together. You're not even seeing them in single forms, and also their seasoning is the best. It's so natural. It tastes like real chicken. I have to give that to them. Just make sure to check regularly so that your indomie doesn't be overcooked. And when you're through with cooking, you strain the water, strain very well. Remember, we are making stir-fried noodles. So in a pot, you add like 2 spoons of vegetable oil. I see the way I was turning the pot to make sure that the oil goes around the pot. Then you add onions, but in this case I just used only spring onions. The spring onions had onions, so I was picking the onions from the spring onions to just put. I want to fry it to get out some flavors from it before I start adding other vegetables into the pot. So when it has fried a bit, you add your other vegetables, carrots, green pepper, and just stir fry for a while. It's not really going to be long like that. You don't want to overcook your vegetables. You also add your bonnet Scotch pepper. Then stir. You can skip this, but I love spicy noodles so much. Then we are going to add a little bit of our indomie seasoning. This seasoning is going to be so enough. In fact, sometimes if I'm not using vegetables, I don't add all the seasonings to my noodles. So we are also going to add back our noodles when we are through with frying. Then add the remaining spring onions on top of it. Then stir everything very well. Then also add the remaining seasoning from the noodles to give our indomie taste. Then we stir very well. Then add back our sausage and our fried plantains and stir very well. This recipe is so good and a must try for you and your family. It's so delicious and nutritious. Thank you guys for always loving my recipe. Thank you guys for always engaging. I love you guys so much. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Like, leave a comment, and share to others who want to prepare these delicious noodles. Thank you so much. I really appreciate each one of you. See you guys in my other videos. Bye.